Hello everyone, welcome to another case study. Now this is a .com client that we have, and for this client, if I just show you the numbers from July 15th to August 15th, the total sales thus this client did was around $197,000, around 197,000. And if I just give you the numbers of August 15 to September 15, that is the last 30 days, they did around $250,000 in sales. So if I just give you the numbers, the total ad sales was around 64,000, and if I give you the ACOS was around 16.68%. The ACOS have been decreased to 15.85. The TACOS was 5.43 and reduced to 4.56. And if I just give you the growth, the increase in sale is around $53,000, and the increase in organic sales is around $45,000. The decrease in ad spend, obviously there is no decrease. We have increased the ad spend by $700. You can see the decrease in ACOS is close to 1%. The decrease in TACOS is close to 1%. Now, I'm sure you know that Q4 is coming. Whenever Q4 is coming, there is a decline in 10 to 20% in sales and traffic in Amazon. Same thing is happening with this account also. So for this account, we are aiming really high for this Q4. Now I'll surely share the results with you for the Q4, how this account performs, and I have also shown you in the past another client that we have in travel niche, with whom we have a goal of crossing 4 million USD for this Q4. Now let me just show you the numbers for this account. Let me show you another thing here. So if you're watching from India, let me show you the numbers. So this client have closed in the July 15 to August 15 around 1.5 CR. In the from July 15 to August 15, that 30 days. The ad sales was around 51 lakhs. The organic sale was close to 1 crores. And the total ad spend was around 8 lakhs. The ACOS was 16%, the TACOS was 5.4%, and from August 15 to September 15, the sales have been increased to 2 CR. That means in the last 30 days, they did 2 crores in revenue, whereas the total ad sales was around 57 lakhs. The total organic sales have been increased by 40 lakhs. Total organic sale is around 1.4 crores, and ad spend have been increased by 1 lakh, that is 99 lakhs. If I just give you the numbers in Indian currency, it is 42 lakhs in increase in sales, 36 lakhs in increase in organic sale in the last 30 days. Decrease in ad spend, obviously there is increase, not decrease. We have increased the ad spend by 56,000. The ACOS have been reduced by 1%, close to 1%, and the TACOS have been reduced by close to 1%. So this is the numbers. Let me show you the exact figures to you. So if I just change the date range from July 15th to August 15th, you can see $197,000. And if I again change the date range from August 15th to today, you can see around 251,000 USD. And if I just give you the ad numbers for this, if you see here July 15 to August 15, it is around $10,000 in ad spend, 64,000 in sales, and 16.68% in ACOS. Whereas if I change it from August 15 to September 15th, you can see the results here. It is 15.84% in ACOS. The sales is around 72,000. The ad spend has increased by $1,000. Basically the numbers that looks like how it looks like, you can see increase in sales by 53,000, increase in organic sales by 45,000. Then this is the numbers. Now we are aiming really high for this client because Q4 is coming. We are prepared with all our deals, all our strategies, brand domination strategies, omnipresence strategies, which is a must, brand protection strategies, which are must during this Q4, because trust me, everyone's bids will be high. I have recently uploaded one video with top 8 strategies to conquer this Q4 or Great Indian Sale. Make sure to check it out. It should be last few videos. Now thank you so much for watching these videos. If you want to join our agency Regrow Media, let us know. We are a full service Amazon agency, starting from images to product videos to 3D rendering to any compliances that you have. If you want to change your brand name, if you want to merge variations, if you want help in GTIN, anything that you need, if you want to reinstate your listing, anything that you need, you can reach out to us. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in the next video.